As you scroll on Etsy, one thing that you will notice in common with all bestsellers is that they have good photos. Having good photos on your Etsy listing is extremely important. When someone searches a keyword that has to do with your product, they're gonna see a lot of different search results. And so it's our job as a seller to make sure that our photos and assets like videos or content look good to stop someone's scroll and potentially get them as a customer. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you one of the easiest and fastest ways to get high quality photos for your Etsy products, whether you sell print-on-demand products, digital products, or even physical products. This can definitely work for you and is a way that we can use AI to do it quickly and efficiently and still have everything look high quality and not take us a ton of time. So I am gonna be using a platform that I use all the time to create mockups, and that's for a good reason, because I do feel the AI is so advanced. And when we're selling print-on-demand products or even digital products, we rarely have the physical product in hand to create photos for. And that's why mockups are so important, because a mockup is essentially showing a customer what that product's gonna look like, even if it doesn't physically exist yet. So I use Kittl for this because all the things I just mentioned, but recently they just launched a new AI workflow. Now, why this is specifically cool and I wanna share it with you is because this is already like pre-built out workflows using AI. So typically when you are going to be using AI, you're gonna have to come up with the whole idea and prompt on your own, which is great. However, it can usually take a little bit more time to get the end result you're looking for. So with these pre-built workflows, essentially they're already designed and curated for you. You just have to insert your product photo, hit generate, and it will actually create a new mockup for you in just a few minutes. And you'll see on here that they have a lot of different things, like you can create different designs. There's also UGC videos if you want to create a UGC AI character with your product, visuals, listing videos, you get the gist of it. I'm just gonna select this lifestyle apparel mockup to show you and give you an example of how to do this. So essentially here, all you have to do is upload your design or product, answer a few questions, select which one you'd like to generate, and it will generate it for you, making this very easy. And again, we don't have to come up with a whole concept ourselves, and you'll see how many images we can create just in one workflow. So I'm gonna upload my design, and then I'll keep it on a t-shirt, but if you're making a sweatshirt, a tank top, you get the gist, or you can upload your own photo. Then for the color, now they have some colors picked out here. Don't panic if you don't see your color of the product you're selling. You can click this plus sign and manually choose a color, or you can also use a pre-hex code, which is essentially a color code. So let's say I'm selling the comfort color 1717 t-shirt, but I offer it in the color ivory. I can do a quick Google search for that. So you'll see it says E7 CEB5. So I'm just gonna go over and enter that. Okay, I have my color. I'm gonna select that. As I scroll down, there's also an option to describe a model. So if you want to have a specific model wearing your product, I'll say young woman with curly blonde hair. And then you can select from one of these pre-made mockups. I'm just gonna use this one because I like the way it looks. I feel it looks very Etsy. And then I'm gonna hit generate, and it takes around 50 seconds for this model. You'll notice that this is the ChatGPT model, image 2 they're using, and it's only 15 AI credits. So when you're creating on Kittl, you are gonna be using credits for AI. Kittl does have a free version, but just know and keep track of your actual credits because each AI generation is going to cost you. Now, what I specifically like about this though, which is better, is if you're creating from complete scratch, you'll typically have to use more AI credits because you have to keep generating to get it to the way you like it. With this, because it's a pre-built workflow, you're gonna get closer to what you're expecting every single time with the mockup, which you'll see in just a moment after this is done loading. And so it saves us a lot on credits and time. Now, like I said, Kittl does have a free plan, but right now they actually have a deal when launching this workflows, where if you use code workflows, you can get 50% off of any paid annual plans. I personally use the pro plan. I get asked that a lot because on my screen, you'll often see that I have a lot of credits. That's why I use an annual pro plan. All right, so in 50 seconds, as you'll see, it just generated a gorgeous mockup for us. This is also very Etsy-esque, if you know what I mean. It has that vibe that does really well on Etsy. And we don't have to stop here, which is cool. Within the same workflow, if we want, we can do this, keep everything the same, the color, what it is that we're looking for. We want the young blonde woman with curly hair, generate, and it will typically create mockups that now all go along with each other. So now we have product listing photos that will have the same vibe and energy on our Etsy listing, which just makes everything more cohesive and looks really good. So definitely really cool. And you can generate multiple as well. And if you are also selling in different colors or variants, you can do that in here as well. So let's say I also offer this shirt in white. You can also create a mock-up of it in white. And now I'm kind of double generating, which you can absolutely do at the same time here, and get all of your mock-ups done in just a few minutes while doing this, which I find very, very, again, helpful. And you can also upscale it in here or even open it in the editor on the actual Kittl editor if you need to make any changes to it. Okay, perfect. And just like that, look at, I have 4 different photos that I can immediately download. So then as I'm ready with it, I just hit download, download. I can do them all. And then in here, perfect, gorgeous, high quality, and then I can upload it directly to an Etsy listing. And I'm sure you can see what I mean by how quickly this can go by if you just keep generating and changing slight things about the product. You can get all of your different product colors in there, or even switch the product if you have a sweatshirt. So if you wanted to do the same thing, but change it to a sweatshirt, select it, generate, you get the idea. We'll come back to that one as it generates, but I also want to show you that there is product videos as well. Can tend to favor listings that have a listing video. It's been an option that's available on Etsy for a while now, and I do feel it can affect the overall performance of your listing in a good way if your video is good, right? And of course, if we were to keep ordering samples of our product each time to take product videos and photos for all the different variant types, designs that we have as print on demand or digital product sellers, that's very, very time consuming. So you can actually create videos, product videos, using this same method as well, that again, you're not having to take all that time to concept a full idea. So you'll just upload an image of your product, and that's great too, because if you were selling like a crop top or a tank top, it would still be able to grab that that's what the product is. Then you can say, again, what it is. So we'll say young blonde woman with really curly hair, smiling. Then again, it already is doing the concept and the prompt for us. So we're just choosing in things that we want. So we can pick wherever we want the model and then put any more details. So I could say warm, neutral, room background, and then generate. And this is around 210 credits and does take a little bit longer as it is a video. So just be aware of that again with your credits. But this saves us the time and money than if we were to hire a UGC or AI model to create this video. And then also we have the rights to use this video because it's an AI person. So we actually can use this in our marketing. We can use this on our Etsy listing, on our TikTok. I get so many questions about that of like, I want to market my products and show my products on TikTok, but I don't want to show my face, or I don't want to make the videos. This is a perfect way to do that, utilizing AI, and it can just save you a lot of time and money. And while this is loading too, let me show you a video of a hat. It's not just for t-shirts or your more basic products. You can create videos and photos of pretty much any product you have. This is one from an embroidered hat that it made. Look how great that looks. That could be a part of a TikTok. That could be the listing video on my Etsy listing. It's just really impressive and really cool how many things you can create. All right, this video is almost done. You'll have to let me know if this is like something that you're gonna wanna try out. I of course love sharing different things that are new and exciting that I find through the different platforms that I use, but I've been finding myself using this a lot and for good reason. So you'll definitely have to let me know if you wanna check it out. Leave me a comment below, or if you have any questions about it, I'd love to answer those as they come in. Okay, so check it out, the video's finished. As you can see, this video is perfect. It shows the girl in the shirt, she's modeling it. We can make further changes. You can download it as it is. Also, one thing to note is if you hit edit a new project, you can actually open this up and use it part of like Kittl flows, which if you've seen my channel before or any of my videos, that's something that I also really love on Kittl is the AI flows and image boards, which you can create and then make a new version off of this using an AI prompt. Of course, that's gonna come with a little bit more creativity on your side to get the actual prompt to use, but just something to note there. So if you're creating a design, a logo, a video, a photo, and you wanna add something to it, like if you wanna add a watermark or whatever, you can do that by selecting it and hitting edit on your actual image or photo once it's finished. And then I can just download these. There's also options if you need to change the file size or the file type. And then you can just upload them directly into Etsy and you pretty much have your Etsy listing photos done for you in just a few seconds. And this honestly looks so great. Like this is much better than using stock images that come with our print on demand suppliers already. This just looks so much better. And again, as I was mentioning, it's going to help to stop that scroll. And don't forget that your mockups and your mockup videos are marketing material. I'll leave a link to my Pinterest tutorial below. Once you have these photos, there's no reason why you can't be posting them on social media or Pinterest to get more traction and more views on your products. Don't be the person that skips out on that. As I said, leave any comments or questions that you have in the comment section below. Everything will be linked in the description. As I mentioned, Kittl will be, along with that discount code to grab that offer while they still have it. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next one.